Yeah, hey, bang bang, yeah. Hello, ooh, skirt, 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 yeah, hey, hey. I pull up and knock you off. I don't want no money. I'm not a monkey on cough. Cough, cough. Alright, what's up, y'all? It's your boy Sky here. And y'all know what it is. I take these bot locks out. They ain't even real dreads, bro. You already know what it is. It's just, it's freaking, what they call them things? Plaids. So I'm basically taking these out. I had these in for like what, a good 2 months. They done see the growth. So you know I got that little nap. Like you know when you got that afro on your head when you got dreads. That's what I got. I'm trying to avoid that. So yeah, you want the cleanest, shiniest stuff like your J's when they brand new out the box. And Space Jam 11s. It will come true one day. One day. Yeah, like especially when you want, like when girls be in your head and stuff playing with it. No girl wants to be playing with or do it with no dirty behind hair. So that's just law right there. I don't know what it is, but it's law right there. So basically, what you gonna do is let me go ahead zoom the baby out real quick. I twisted my hair. I twisted my ends, like 2-strand twisted it. So what you want to do first? I not even need this. Take out the 2-strand twist if you can find it. That's what you need this for now. Think about it. There you go. I guess. I don't know. So what you basically doing is just taking your comb, and just pushing the twists out. And this really like work for like let's say you had dreads, right? And like first time I had got dreads, I was at my cousin's house. She like, you want some dreads? I was like, bet, let's do it real quick. So it went real quick. That bitch took like a good 2 solid hours. It was long, painful. She did them little corresponding dread thingamajigs where she used that little spray. I forgot what it's called. But yeah, it was like, it made my hair real stiff and stuff like that. I was like, what all this is? She like, it's gonna make your dreads longer. I'm like, alright, whatever. So I did it. And then time my mom had came to pick me up and stuff like that, she like, what is it in your head? I like, it dreads. Like, boy, if you don't get no goddamn dreads out your freaking head, I ain't tell you get no dreads. But you look ugly with no things, bro. She was getting in, like she was going in. She was calling me, boy, you look like the stupid Rick Ross with them dreads. Like, oh my god. Like she was roasting my stuff, like bro. Like she was burning, like it was hot fire up in that thing. But yeah. So that's my dread story, I guess. I'm just getting these things out of my head real quick. Also, like when you doing this, make sure you got a good behind playlist or something. so since I'm having problems with my hair that I already parted, what I'm just going to do is just get a rubber band. I'm just going to basically just do is just, in a sense, I'm going to just part off the hair that I already got split it off, you know what I'm saying? Just like that. Hey, little mohawk. Like strawberry shortcake. Oh yeah, also, what you do if you can't like get your you can't take out the little twist thing, take this part right here, right? And let's say for the one I'm working on, where is it? No, that ain't it. Shoot. Alright, let's just take this one for it. Sample right here. Oh yeah, this is the one I'm working on. Okay, so you take this. Actually, no, give me a better one. Alright, so you're gonna take this part. Alright, and right where like the little twist at, everything like that, just gonna take this, pull it out, and it should just easily come out, and just do that for every little twist that's in there. It's gonna be like rows. Alright, right now I'm about to stop. Okay. Alright. Right now I'm gonna stop because like I still got the whole back of my head to be doing and stuff. So yeah, also, you know, gotta save that battery. So yeah. I'll just come back with the end result. And that's it. Yeah. That hair getting there, baby. See, like my goal, had my hair, and I already touched all the way down here, all the way in my neck. That could be it though. I don't know, but you know, trying to get all the way down here, somewhere like that, you know. Probably get some of that Travis Scott when it comes to my braids. I don't know which one I'm gonna go for. I'm trying to go for probably Travis Scott, Rocky braids. What's that new YBN nigga? He'll be right here. But yeah, that might be the next move. But see that in the next video. Also, for tomorrow, I got a video coming out, which will be the day before. That basically is gonna be just, you know, I might go curly, you know, since Gotta rock the little fro a little bit, and then hit that little curls. You know them. I got good hair. You know, my daddy Mexico. I guess he Mexico. I don't know what that is. Anyways, y'all already know what it is, bruh. It's Sky, the boy Sky here, and I'm out. Till I see y'all next time. Like, share, subscribe, do a little comment. You feel me? You did. You did. Alright, and I'm out there joining.